Welcome to JFK Kennedy Airport in New York City.
Lounge Puerto Rico. So there you go. Transit to city via Airtrain right there. Good night. See you in New York in a bit. Bye. Okay, so this one you just have to tap it.
Place it on the screen.
It's actually served in a... And this is the price. Airtrain exit fare is $8.25. This is not bad, huh? Hey guys, Mabuhay. It's Maria. We just arrived at JFK Airport. The national there, so middle lane. Okay, we have to return our car rental first before we're gonna head to our flight. Yeah, it was an amazing trip. We're here now at the airport. We're gonna miss you, Puerto Rico. Thank you so much. We had fun. All right. We're going to return our car now. We got it. Yay! National. Alam mo, national. Alam mo. No. We're gonna miss you, Amarillo. Thank you so much. We're gonna definitely miss you. Bye. So we just got into the TSA and now we're looking for the lounge here at Puerto Rico Airport. So we're heading to the A, wherein it is located, the lounge, but we have to be board at gate B later. Lounge Puerto Rico. Hi.
Hello.
You want to be here? Let me check what is here. There's one more here. She's pretty tiny. Yeah, give me one glass of red wine. Merlot? Merlot. Definitely a super tiny lounge. Pretty small, but it does the job. I mean, everything that you needed, drinks, and they have some refreshments. Alcoholic beverages, of course, they have it too. You can actually order a hot food. They have like rice and chicken and salad, but super tired, but it was amazing trip. I'm actually wrong. The one, the ambassadress is Miss Universe 1993, Leonardo Torres of the new international airport.
No.
Yeah, I think the international. I think so. The marine is kind of like that. So we got some pudding here, some sweet pudding, basic one. Let's mix it up. Let's see. You love pudding. Who doesn't like it? Good. It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. Oh, nice. I'm gonna grab some medalla for the last time. Puerto Rican beers. We're now inside the lounge here at Puerto Rico Airport, and we're just waiting for our boarding time. I hope you can hear me well. Hello, like this. If I'm super tired, my voice is just like getting more husky, lack of sleep. I mean, we squeeze everything, our itineraries, and I'm pretty amazed that I made a good itineraries. You know, it's just like rather than finding what to do, where to eat, we're all listed down. We have a shared folder. We know where to go. So we just ordered for some soup. And we're getting some coffee here. There we go. Thank you. Sopa de tomate. Gracias. The coffee is really good.
Good?
Have you tasted it? It's so good. Taste it. I don't know. I think it feels good. This is a tomato soup. Sopa de tomate. This lounge is pretty small, but I think everything you needed to be comfy is here. Yeah, it's so good. The coffee. This is so good. I don't know now. I'm drinking wine. I'm drinking carbonated water, soda water. I'm having coffee. And now soup. I'm gonna order the chicken to test. We ordered the rice with chicken in Alfredo sauce. It's actually served in a cling wrap. So let's try it out. Let's taste it. How is it? The rice is good, huh? Tasteful. Try it a little. This is not bad, huh? Why are we watching basketball? I think I cannot change. Oh yeah, you cannot change. You cannot change. You know, when you're flying for the tropical country and going back to winter, it's like you're carrying a jacket with you, and then you're gonna have to take it out, and then you're going back to New York. Just like you have to layer it again, so you're carrying a lot of stuff because you have the sweater.
And try to avoid the bowel.
In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Then, okay, we just boarded. Good night. See you in New York in a bit.
Welcome to JFK Kennedy Airport in New York City. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and carry on items as long as the car signs turn off the seatbelt sign. They're not used when we are playing the same.
Have a nice guys.
Thank you. Yeah, bye. We just arrived at JFK Airport, and we're grabbing some food order today. So as soon as we get back to the apartment, we have something for dinner. After this, we're going to ride an air train going back to Manhattan. So if you want to know how to use the JFK air train and heading to the city, which is Manhattan, then please keep on watching. Yeah, let's go home. And going to the city, sometimes we ask how to go there in the easiest way, and of course we have to consider also our budget. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. So you can see right there, the sign is Airtrain. So we're heading to the Airtrain now. Right here. Just follow the sign. So there you go. Transit to city via Airtrain right there. So we're now at the Airtrain. Listen which one is coming. You're not even going out at the airport, and the air train is arriving, heading to the city. So it's so easy if you don't have check-in luggage, just go straight out, and air train is just right here inside the JFK. We're going home. We ordered Jollibee. We're eating Jollibee tonight. Happy. This is the price. Airtrain exit fare is $8.25. So at the Howard Beach station, we're going to ride heading A-train to the city, and this is the easiest way. Okay, so this one you just have to tap it.
Place it on the screen.
Okay, and just like that. And if you wanted to get subway card, just get it here. But I got MetroCard already. And this is the A-train to Rockaways. So don't confuse this one. Follow the sign, Brooklyn and Manhattan. As easy as that. Always check. Subway is always having to uptown and downtown. If you don't have MetroCard, I would highly suggest you can have a choices of the Airtrain fare plus MetroCard all together. Already automatically will deduct it to your tap and go credit or debit card.
So to sum it up, number one, there's two main JFK Airtrain stations with subway trains access. But on this video, we use the Howard Beach station, which is you will have an A-train access. But on the contrary of Jamaica station, you have three trains options, which is E, J, and Z train. Number two, mainly John F. Kennedy Airport or the JFK Airport is in Queens, New York City, which we considered it as going to uptown. But on this video again, we're going to the city. We call it the city, which is everybody know as the Manhattan. So at this point, we have go downtown, which is both Manhattan and Brooklyn normally got the same route. So have to be careful and always read the Manhattan or Brooklyn sign. And number three, I'm expecting that you are a tourist and new to the big city. That's the reason why you're watching this video to begin with. So welcome. So let's continue. Number four, I highly suggest to use the contactless payment or the Omni system, which is the tap and go using your smartphone or your smartwatch or even your physical debit credit card or even your prepaid card without any worries in going to MetroCard or A-Train machines. get the combined Airtrain plus train fees together. You just only needing that. Don't get any excess Airtrain card fees for nothing. Don't worry about going back out of New York. Just go and get the together combined Airtrain plus train fees. The price of $11.15. You're welcome. And lastly, I'm so sorry, but if you're coming here late in the night, trains are always delayed. So patiently wait for that train. Be careful, be safe, and I highly recommend to download the NYC subway app for free. Even you are inside the train, you can easily access the subway train map, so you will know which stop you're going to head out and enjoy New York City. If you want to know more about how to subway in New York City as a tourist, please watch the next video. Thanks guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Paalam! Bye!
My loving partner always drinking, so he can get like down, dead. As soon as I sit down and secure the seatbelt, super tired. Should I put it in my bag? Drink it later. I think I'm just gonna put it in the bag. So like, I love you. I love you so much. What an amazing anniversary. Memorable. At least we fight.
What a good place to fight.
We're gonna start dieting when we get back to New York. We ate a lot. I have the best boyfriend in the world.